y'all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, as you can see by the title, this is a quick easy hair tutorial. Really simple, really easy. It's gonna be a voiceover. This wig is from Ashimary Hair, and yeah, we're gonna get straight into it. Simple, quick, and easy. Down the wig cap. I use the spray, but I feel like this method is way better for a good hold. He is taking the end of, I think this is the eyebrow cutter, and just smoothing that glue out. Okay, right here he's putting the makeup on. This is the cream foundation. I feel like cream works way better than powder. I think this is number 9. Yes. Okay, y'all, let's just get into the color. This is a highlighted wig. I think this was 26 inches. Yes, it was super long. I'm gonna insert some clips for you guys, but he's just cutting the excess lace before he actually glues it down. Taking that lace glue and applying the first layer. I think he did 4 layers, let them dry completely, and then on that last layer he laid the lace. Okay, y'all, so this is after he put that last layer on. He is laying that lace. He's using a rat tail comb to push the glue into the lace, and then he's gonna put that lace band on, and it's gonna have everything set. Blow drying to make sure everything is good and set before he puts the lace band on. Still rubbing that rat tail comb into the lace just to make sure that the glue is getting in there really good. Cutting that lace, y'all, making sure everything is good. He did cut the ears out. I think he before he even laid the lace, but he's just going piece by piece, cutting the lace, make sure it's very detailed. I'm telling y'all, y'all cannot rush this part of the process. Cutting the lace is the most important thing to a wig install, and you really have to be very detailed with how you cut it and the direction that you cut it in. But this lace was perfect. Like, the quality of the lace was perfect, so it was good. Okay, so he just pulled the edges out and had me hold them. I highly recommend doing this before putting that lace band back on, just to make sure you know where your edges are. He's taking that hot comb and just combing everything down. Y'all, I did a deep side part. I just feel like the color would just be brung out better this way. Y'all have to switch the angle of the camera so that y'all could really see. He's pulling the other side of the edges out and twisting them so that they don't get tangled up with each other. Y'all, this was real simple and easy. I did one way straight, and then as you can see at the end, I curled it. But y'all, I was feeling myself. This color looks perfect on me. I feel like it complements my skin tone very well. The hair was really soft, really long. Okay, y'all, so this is the final product. Real simple, real cute. I just did a side part and then I curled it a little bit. The clip that you just seen, I did it straight and it was kind of like bumped at the end. Link to this wig will be in the description box below. Make sure I go get that. Bye.